My name is Peter the Rabbit, and I come to tell y'all Miss Priss, the $1 million dog, had me to come over. You know, she's with Dr. Organics, the all-certified plant-based vegan company that has got the best formulations in the whole world. And Miss Priss asked me to stop by today. You know, I'm going to Dr. Organics school and tell y'all about the Dr. Organics oils and butters. And she said today, what you need to do is you need to tell the people all about the tea tree. Tea tree oil is good for skin condition. It's antiseptic. It's good for dandruff. It also is good for insect bites. It's an antiseptic. It also it helps sterilize things, and it's good for fungus and bacteria. It promotes healing, kills lice and parasites, moisturizes all bacteria for bad breath. So that's some of the things that tea tree oil does. And you can go to www.drorganics.info. And on that site, you can see all the different oils and butters that they use in the products. And you can get a lot of knowledge right there. So, hey, just remember, you can be somewhere in the future and you can look better than you do right now. And they asked me to sing the jingle, the Dr. Organics jingle. So, I'm not much of a singer, but here we go. Good. Good. That's what Dr. Organics is. Good. All together. Now, I know Phil's sitting right there at his computer waiting to sing along. So here we go. Good. Good. That's what